going on, guys? It's your boy coming at you with a brand new video. Now today this video is going to be about me fixing my friend's fidget spinner. I'm supposed to fix it for him. He was gonna pay me, but I'm like long overdue, and I just want to get it out of the way, so I'm gonna be fixing it now. He really messed up. It looks ugly, so I have to sandpaper it first. It barely spins too. Okay, so I'm in my garage now, and the first thing I have to do is I have to sandpaper it, so I'm just going to get that out of the way real quick, and he wants it military green, like camo green, so I'll get that too. Okay guys, so right now I put the first layer on, and it's drying, and it seems that, it's not even spinning good, obviously. And it seems like, because I haven't been touching it lately, there's rust, a lot of rust in it. So it's like, I guess rust can expand because I haven't gotten it wet at all. I actually haven't even really touched it. And he reminded me of it, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm going to fix it. But then I forgot it, I won't lie. So I'm like, oh crap, I got to fix it this time for real. So now I'm fixing it, and I'm going to spray some WD-40 on it, and it's going to spin, hopefully, it's a 50% chance it's going to spin good. That little 50% chance, yeah. Okay, so I think the bottom layer is good. First layer I've done, now I have to flip it. And what this boy did is he spray painted too much layers instead of sandpapering them off. So I'm going to fix his mistake. This is his spinner. And yes, sir, it's done. So it's drying now, guys, and I was wondering if maybe I could surprise him. I don't know if he'd like this, but maybe there's a thing where you lightly spray golden onto your camo, and it kind of looks pretty cool, actually. I think I'm just going to do that. And if he hates it, well, then he can go die. No, I'm kidding. If he hates it, well, then he can fix it himself, and I'm not kidding about that. So it's good, it's good. Ooh. Now it's already almost done, actually. So I'll just come back with you guys whenever it is done. I got the fidget spinner. I got the WD-40. Let's get it. Let's go. Put it on the rag. Spray this crap. I love the smell. It makes everything smell good. Okay, guys. So this is the fidget spinner It used to be go like this.
Guys,
but then it went like this.
And my brother was making a video right now.
But now it goes like this. Now it goes like so good. So I'll give it to my friend tomorrow, and hopefully he'll still pay me. Pete. No, I'm kidding. Okay, well that was this video. Please, do the basics. Please like, subscribe, comment, and peace.